Stop buying expensive survival gear. Most of it will fail you. Veterans who've actually worked in field conditions don't carry $500 bug-out bags. They carry something that fits behind a truck seat. It costs about $30. 10 items, everyone available at Dollar Tree, Walmart, or Harbor Freight. One item on this list replaced $40 of gear during Hurricane Katrina. Another one closed wounds in Vietnam. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact list, the exact stores, and the exact reason each item is there. Most people collect gear. A few people build capability. That's the difference. First item, fixed blade knife. $7 at Harbor Freight or Walmart. That's it. Most people spend $60 on a folding knife with tactical branding. Here's why that's wrong. Under stress, your fine motor skills degrade. Your hands shake. Your fingers don't cooperate. A folding mechanism becomes a liability when you can't operate the lock. Veterans default to fixed blades for one reason. You grip it, it's deployed. Full tang means the steel runs through the handle. That matters when you're batoning wood or prying open a window. One tool handles cutting, splitting, food prep, prying, and self-defense. 5 functions, $7. The $60 folder sitting in someone's pocket right now can't do half of that under pressure. Running total, $7. Next, Bic lighter and a box of waterproof matches. This is the foundational rule you'll hear in every military unit that operates in the field. 2 is 1, 1 is none. A single Bic lighter produces roughly 3,000 strikes. That's your primary ignition source. Waterproof matches are your backup. Total cost is under $3 for 2 independent fire systems. Most civilians carry one ignition source. That's a single point of failure in the one capability that governs everything. Fire gives you warmth. It purifies water. It cooks food. It signals rescue. It keeps you mentally intact when everything else is falling apart. Without redundant ignition, you lose all 5 of those functions at once. $3 eliminates that risk entirely. Running total, $10. Now pay attention to this one. Contractor trash bags, 3 mil thickness, $1 for 2 bags at Dollar Tree. A single 3 mil contractor bag replaces a $40 emergency bivvy. That's not an exaggeration, that's physics. 3 mil polyethylene blocks wind up to 40 miles per hour when you rig it as a lean-to. During Hurricane Katrina, displaced residents in the Superdome used contractor bags as sleeping mats and rain protection when issued supplies ran out. 1 bag, $1. It serves as a poncho, a ground sheet, a solar still, a water collection basin, and an improvised shelter. 5 functions from a single piece of polyethylene that most people throw away on trash day. You're not buying survival gear here. You're buying capability per dollar. Nothing else on this list matches this ratio. Running total, $11. Duct tape on a pencil. Veterans don't carry a full roll. They wrap 15 feet of tape around a pencil stub. Flattens to pocket size. The pencil itself becomes a writing instrument. You'll see why that matters at the end of this list. Most civilians either carry a full bulky roll or skip tape entirely. Both are wrong. Duct tape patches torn gear. It closes wound dressings. It secures improvised splints. It marks trails. It seals shelter seams. Every single military branch lists it as a recommended field repair tool. It is the most universally endorsed item across every service. $1 at Dollar Tree. 5 functions. Fits in your back pocket. Running total. $12. Travel size unscented bleach. This is the second item on this list that's going to change how you think about survival gear. 8 drops of standard 8.25% sodium hypochlorite per gallon purifies water to EPA safe drinking standards. 30 minutes, that's it. A $1 travel bottle from Dollar Tree treats roughly 60 gallons. Now compare that to a $20 Life Straw. The Life Straw filters 1,000 gallons at 2 cents per gallon. This bleach bottle treats 60 gallons at less than 2 cents per gallon. Similar efficiency. 1/20th the price of entry. Most civilians buy expensive filtration without understanding chemical purification. Here's the consequence. Dehydration kills in 72 hours. Contaminated water accelerates that timeline through vomiting and diarrhea. You don't need a fancy filter. You need sodium hypochlorite. $1. Running total, $13. Stop here. Look at what you've built so far. 5 items, $13. You have fire, you have shelter, you have cutting capability, you have field repair, you have water purification. That $500 bug-out bag sitting in someone's closet covers the same 5 categories. Yours fits in a gallon Ziploc, $13. If this list is already making you rethink what you carry, hit subscribe. The rest of this build gets better. Cotton bandana. $1. Standard military everyday carry since before World War I. This is the single highest function per ounce item you can own. Use it as a pre-filter for sediment before you chemically treat water. Use it as a tourniquet, a sling, a dust mask, a signal flag, a pot holder, a sun shield for the back of your neck. Most civilians overlook simple fabric and buy single-purpose gadgets instead. A purpose-built dust mask does one thing. A tourniquet does one thing. A bandana does 6 things and weighs almost nothing. One item replaces 3 separate pieces of gear. $1, running total, $14. This is the one. Write this down. Petroleum jelly cotton balls. 5 cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly, stored in a snack-sized Ziploc bag. Total cost is fractions of a cent. Each ball ignites instantly and burns for 4 to 5 minutes at over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's enough to catch damp kindling in a rainstorm. This is documented among Army Ranger students at Camp Merrill in North Georgia. Winter rain. Standard tinder fails. These don't. Commercial fire starters cost $8 to $12 and don't burn any longer. You're paying pennies for the same performance. 5 functions: fire starting, waterproof tinder, emergency light source. The raw jelly works as a lubricant and skin protectant. This is your viral moment. Screenshot this. Running total, $15. Mylar emergency blanket, $1. Reflects up to 90% of your radiated body heat. Hypothermia kills faster than dehydration, faster than hunger. Most people don't think about exposure as a primary threat. That's the mistake. This blanket weighs almost nothing. It compresses to the size of a deck of cards. You use it for heat retention, ground insulation, signaling via reflection, rain shielding, and solar shade. 5 functions, $1. The expensive alternative is a $20 sleeping bag that weighs 4 pounds and won't fit behind your truck seat. Running total, $16. Superglue. 2 tubes for $1 at Dollar Tree. Commercial cyanoacrylate descends directly from Eastman 910 compound. Military medics used it in Vietnam to seal battlefield lacerations. Studies in the Journal of Emergency Medicine confirm skin-safe superglue holds tensile strength comparable to 5/0 sutures on linear wounds under 5 centimeters. You close shallow cuts in seconds. No gauze, no butterfly strips, no bulky first aid kit you'll never actually carry. Most civilians pack oversized medical kits without understanding field wound closure. 2 tubes, $1, wound closure, gear repair, blister sealing, 3 critical functions, running total, $17. Last item, notepad and golf pencil, $2. Veterans carry paper because phones die. That's not a preference, that's doctrine. Every military map case still includes a pencil and paper. Graphite on paper is readable after submersion, after freezing, after years of storage. In a real crisis, you leave notes for rescuers, you mark routes. You log water sources, you record radio frequencies, you track your inventory so you know exactly what you've used and what's left. A phone gives you none of that when the battery hits 0. $2 for communication, navigation logging, inventory tracking, and morale through journaling. Running total, $19, 10 items, $19, fits behind your truck seat, fits in a single-gallon Ziploc bag if you compress it right. Every item sourced from 3 stores you can drive to this weekend. Dollar Tree, Walmart, Harbor Freight. The $500 bug-out bag sits in a closet. You forget it when you evacuate. You leave it behind because it's heavy. This kit rides with you every single day because it weighs almost nothing and takes up almost no space. Capability isn't price. Capability is selection. It's redundancy. It's understanding why each item earned its slot. You now have fire from 3 sources, shelter from 2. Water purification that costs pennies per gallon. Wound closure that fits in your pocket. You don't own gear, you own capability. Next video, you're going to learn the vehicle-specific emergency protocol that turns your truck into a 72-hour survival platform. That build starts where this one ends.